Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese pack opening. This is day number 5. Forget what day. But when everybody sees this, it's probably going to be Sunday. Hope you guys are having an awesome weekend, and I hope you guys have a nice, relaxing Sunday when, can take some time off, chill, recharge those batteries before the the week starts all over again. And yeah, hope you guys are all stress free and all that. Ooh, that one was a little ugly. That's okay. Got them out nice and safe. And we'll see what we get today. Ooh, Bunsweet. I think Bunsweet. Look at that. It's a cute little toy. Like a claymation figure. Very nice. Second, ooh, Larvitar again. But it's got such a nice artwork. Just sniffing the rose or sniffing the flower. He got surprised and he's huh? Super and ooh, evolution. Fletchinder? I think it's Fletchinder. Get that. I hope it's not starting a fire. Forest fire of all things. Kind of looks like it is, but we'll say it's fighting something. Alright, and looks like we got something cool today. Looks like a regular rare. So we'll go from the back. Try to pull the uncommon. We got a trainer. Boom! Ooh, Kabu. Get that. That cool old man stance. But he's got those cool sleeves to make you look real athletic. Like you've been working out and you need that compression sleeve. Pretty cool. Alright, and our rare is ooh, Tyranitar to go with our Larvitar. Beautiful. I know Tyranitar is in the new set coming out, the battle styles. I'm used to I am looking forward to picking up a box of Ichigeki and Rengeki for the battle styles and the Japanese versions. So that'll be pretty cool. Alright, let's get these bad boys or girls into the binder. And here we go. Oh no, I have failed. You can see I moved the keyboard over. It's gonna be weird. Trying to do this with one hand. There, it's good. Okay, let's figure out the order real quick. 6, 14, 40, yep. Alright, Bunsweet is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful. Oh, so now we can see that it's gonna go Bunsweet, Steenie, and then I'm blanking out. Steenie, and it's got like a similar to a person's name. It's not coming to me. It's okay. We'll come back to it. 14. Oops. Let's go here. And you're number 13 on. You go right. What? Oh, I guess the Fletchling is a normal type. Because I was just thinking to myself like, I swear we pulled that already. And it should go right next to it. I think we've already got a Larvitar. So we're gonna go check out that. Number 40 is the Larvitar, and then we're gonna check out number 67. This thing keeps falling. There's a Fletch in there. Number 40 is our Larvitar, right over there, which means Tyranitar is gonna get put over there. And okay, what number is this? 62, which means 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Right, 67. Belong right here. Oof. Alright. There we go. I will leave this open so that I can put that last piece in place. And there we go. I really like this Tyranitar. I think I saw preview and I'm excited to get it in the other set. I think I've said that already, so I will see you guys tomorrow.